9 PM. Again? What? Oh shit, he's getting a bit close to the tree line, isn't he? And you might lag out. Oh shit, what would happen if one of us lost connection instead of this chopper?
God.
Well, Glenn, have you got fraps on? Do you record him right now? Would you like to play the Vietnam music?
Wait, is it possible to use a parachute on this?
Yeah,
Does
you
it
can
record
parachute
the
on this.
TeamSpeak?
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't think today was going to be the day we actually got a chopper. Well, not exactly got a chopper, but
Alright.
got to use a chopper. Wow, uber bad quality. Oh yeah.
We're going to a lecture. You should hear us
Wow,
soon.
we're
Hawks.
already nearly there. All that running.
Yeah.
You're just going to the lecture.
In the fire station.
You want to go to some place more suitable?
Can you see us?
We're not in the
Oh
lecture yet.
god, there's a zombie just got me.
Electro
Shooting
looks
zombies
so
in the fire
tiny.
station. They're charging me.
Which fire station are you at?
One by church.
Alright, yeah, we can hear you.
Can we? Where are we? Oh my god. Oh my god, we're here.
I can hear the helicopter.
Yeah, look.
I
we're
need
like
the
la-
evac.
Yeah, I don't trust this. It's like sitting ducks.
Yeah, I'm looking
You can.
at.
You get
Yeah, you
pushed
can.
out.
You can get sniped.
Evac, evac.
You just fall out the vehicle though.
Hawks, he wants you to get in now.
Let's keep the engines off.
Come on, Hawks!
Wait, are we right next to the fire station?
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna land on the fence.
Is that Hawks to the left?
Yeah, that's Hawks.
Get in then.
No, it's actually a player.
No, don't kill this guy. This guy's awesome.
Hey, Hawks! Get in the passenger seat with me.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Hey, Hawks!
Hey, Hawks!
Shoot him.
Yeah, you're allowed to shoot him.
All I could see was zombies. Too high up to actually get any good shots.
Well,
This guy must it's pretty good.
yeah.
Now what? That awkward moment.
Yeah, but crashed heli.
Where? It's crashed helicopter talks.
No, he's saying like go to a crash helicopter or something.
No,
Wait,
don't
why am I
crash.
talking in chat? Yeah, I want a crash helicopter.
You want to find one.
Oh,
Why is he
great place to
stopping
start.
here?
Why is he calling us mom?
Is it just my thing that's froze?
Well, we could just... No.
The helicopter's frozen for me.
Yeah,
oh, no,
it
it's
has.
hovering.
Because he put auto hover on. Thoughts? I'm not black anymore. Got the right face paint.
I'll give a promotion to anyone who gives me an awesome weapon.
What?
Stop looking at me, Hawks.
Were you actually?
Yeah. Depends
Will
how
you promote
awesome
me
it
to
is.
Lance Corporal if I give you a foul?
Hawkies.
If you gave me a foul.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. Look, they can Hayden in the front seat, not Hayden in the front
will.
seat there. That's thingy with the.
Oh shit, wow.
Oh!
I'm alive! What the hell?
I'm
What the
dead.
hell?
Alive!
Oh,
What the?
Oh my god!
wow.
Oh my god!
What happened?
He just killed us all.
I'm not dead! I'm
He
not dead!
crashed the helicopter.
Ow.
Oh my god! Who died from the Hawks? Do you want an AS-50?
You got to go back to our dead body position.
I'm at your dead body now, Hayden.
Are you?
Yeah. Oh!
I spawned an Electro.
Did he do that deliberately?
I don't know, but that was funny as hell.
I doubt it.
He said, what's going on? Is he a retard? You just crashed a helicopter, you baghead.
Is he alive?
Yeah. Am I the only one who's not dead?
Yeah.
Yeah.